Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kissy Missy from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. Now on top, let's draw another curve. Then let's curve it down on both sides. And then another curve underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the eyes. We'll start by drawing 2 circles. And then let's add another set of circles inside. And now let's color both of these in black. Lastly, let's move on top and let's draw the eyelashes. Let's start with a small curve on top, then a longer one, and another shorter one like this. And that's it for the face. And now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a small curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and flick it up slightly at the end. Now from both ends, let's draw a small curve down. And then a bump underneath on both sides. Then one more bump out and down on an angle. Next, let's draw another bump on both sides again. And then curve it back in underneath, leaving a gap in the middle. Next, across the neck, let's draw the bow. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small square. Then from both ends, let's draw a curve out and back in. And now top and side, and let's draw another curve on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw 2 curves down on the left and 2 on the right. And then close off the bottom of each one. And that's it for the head. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve out and then curve it up on top of the head. And the same on the right side. Now underneath, let's draw the same curve for the other side of the arms. Now from both ends, let's angle it outwards. And then close it off with a zigzag line. Next at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve down and back up on both sides. Then add 2 curves inside each hand. And then underneath, let's draw one more bump for another finger. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the body. Underneath the arms, let's curve it outwards. Now at the bottom of each side, let's draw 3 curved V shapes like this. And then in between, let's draw a curve across. Now top underneath and let's add the legs. Let's start underneath and let's draw an S-shaped curve down on both sides like this. Now top to the outside and let's follow that same curve down. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a curve out and back in. And then 2 more bumps in between each side to close it off. Next, underneath for the feet, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then a larger one going outwards. And lastly, let's add 2 curves inside each foot. And that's it for Kissy Missy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!